before I have breakfast, before I have any sort of food, drinks, does not matter. Always start my morning off with some hot water. You will genuinely not only start to glow from the inside out, but you will also have so much more energy throughout the day. So many incredible benefits.
From a scientific perspective, the main benefit in drinking water in the morning is simply hydration. We fast overnight for quite a long period, and so starting the day with drinking water is really helpful. However, there's no strong evidence behind the temperature of water and the impact on health. There's no sort of evidence that cold water, for instance, harms health either. The body actually quickly warms up any fluid to our core body temperature. But if someone prefers warm water and encourages them to drink more, then that's